Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs.
If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
You ready? Yeah. Katie, ready?
Yeah.
Mommy? Lizzie?
Yeah. And get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. What's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive! Move it! That was close.
Carnotaurus.
Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Get him out now! Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!